Welcome back. In today's video, we are checking out the best cordless vacuums of 2026 that you can buy right now. From powerful suction to long battery life and smart cleaning features, these vacuums are designed to make your home cleaning faster, easier, and more efficient on carpets, hard floors, and pet hair. Starting at number 1. Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V15 Detect Plus Cordless Vacuum is a high-performance cleaning device designed for powerful and intelligent home cleaning. It delivers up to 240 AW of suction power and features 3 power modes to adjust performance based on different cleaning needs. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, it provides extended cordless cleaning for homes of various sizes. One of its standout features is the laser dust illumination technology, which reveals microscopic dust on hard floors for more precise cleaning. It is highly effective on both hard floors and carpets, and includes an anti-tangle system designed to easily remove pet hair without clogging. The vacuum can also be converted into a handheld cleaner, making it versatile for furniture, stairs, and tight spaces. Overall, the Dyson V15 Detect Plus is a premium cordless vacuum built for deep cleaning performance, convenience, and advanced dust detection. Number 2. Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 280W. The Bissell PowerClean DualBrush 280W self-standing cordless vacuum for 1196K is a powerful and convenient cleaning solution designed for everyday home use. It delivers strong 280W suction power combined with DualBrush technology to effectively pick up dirt, dust, and debris from both hard floors and carpets. The vacuum features auto-adapt technology, which automatically adjusts suction and brush performance based on the surface being cleaned for more efficient results. It includes a self-cleaning brush roll to reduce hair tangles and maintenance, making it especially useful for homes with pets. With a removable battery, it offers flexible charging and extended cleaning time, while the self-standing design allows easy storage anywhere. Additional features like bright LED headlights help reveal hidden dust in dark areas, and the included upholstery tool makes it easy to clean furniture and tight spaces. Overall, it is a versatile and user-friendly cordless vacuum designed for powerful, hassle-free cleaning. Number 3. Beatbot Sora 10 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Beatbot Sora 10 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner with iSkim is an advanced pool cleaning system designed for fully automated maintenance. It features cordless operation and is capable of cleaning the pool floor, walls, waterline, and surface, ensuring complete coverage for a spotless pool. The included iSkim solar-powered skimmer provides 24/7 surface cleaning, continuously removing leaves, debris, and floating dirt to keep the water clean at all times. With smart navigation and strong suction performance, it efficiently moves across different pool surfaces while minimizing manual effort. Its cordless design improves safety and convenience, while the energy-efficient system supports eco-friendly operation. Finished in a stylish mint green and blue design, the Beatbot Sora 10 is a modern and intelligent solution for maintaining clean, clear, and well-kept swimming pools with minimal effort. Number 4. DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum and Mop. The DREAME H15 Pro Heat Wet Dry Vacuum and Mop is an advanced cordless floor cleaning device designed for deep and hygienic home cleaning. It features powerful 22 kPa suction combined with wet and dry cleaning capabilities, allowing it to vacuum debris while simultaneously mopping floors for a spotless finish. One of its standout features is 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot water cleaning, which helps break down tough stains and improve hygiene. The vacuum includes zero hair tangle technology, making it highly effective for homes with pets or long hair. With an AI robotic arm and edge-to-edge cleaning design, it can reach corners and tight spaces efficiently. Its 180 degrees lie-flat structure allows it to clean under furniture with ease, while the hot self-cleaning system automatically washes the roller for maintenance-free operation. Overall, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat is a premium smart floor cleaner built for powerful, effortless, and highly efficient home cleaning. Number 5. Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, IZ363HT. The Shark Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, IZ363HT, is a lightweight and portable cleaning device designed for efficient everyday home cleaning. It features a powerful suction system with a HEPA filter that helps trap dust, allergens, and fine particles, making it a great choice for improved indoor air quality. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it provides enough battery life for cleaning multiple rooms on a single charge. The vacuum is especially effective for pet hair pickup, ensuring carpets, furniture, and floors stay clean and fresh. It can also be easily converted into a removable handheld vacuum, making it convenient for cleaning stairs, cars, and tight spaces. Included accessories like a crevice tool and dusting brush allow for more detailed cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Overall, the Shark IZ363HT is a versatile and user-friendly cordless vacuum designed for powerful, flexible, and convenient home cleaning. That's it for today's video. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. See you in the next one.